Today I'm going to go over how to swap out your windshield wiper blades on a Ford Edge. This is a 2019 up to 2024, so let's jump in. One nice thing is that you can just pull the arm up to here when you're working on it. You can also keep it close to the car. One thing you want to make sure is this doesn't flap down onto your windshield. So there is a tab on this side and this side. You have to press them at the same time. So I've got these pressed in. Now what you're going to do is you have to rotate this down, this piece right here. So I've pressed those in. It kind of comes up and down, and there we go. There's a little tab here that it hooks into. So that hooks into there. So when you're going to put your new ones on, you put the toe in first, and then pop these little guys in there like that, and that's how you do them. These are both the same length of windshield wiper for both passenger and driver side. So once you swap them out, it's always nice also to clean your windshield when you put new wiper blades on. But yeah, clean your windshield, throw your new blades on. Sometimes there's a little protective strip on the actual blade, pop that off, and that is how you do the windshield wiper blades.